Hi there, I'm İlkay and welcome to my tutorial series Lightning Sibelius. Today I'm excited to introduce you two fantastic plugins that will significantly accelerate your full score and parts layout preparation, particularly if you are dealing with large orchestral scores. The first plugin is called the Breaks plugin and the second one is the Select Barline before after the last selected object. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you like my tutorials and if you want to support my channel, you can also donate it via the PayPal link in the description. The break plugin is a tool designed to streamline the process of inserting breaks in your musical score within Sibelius. In Sibelius, there are various types of breaks such as page breaks, system breaks, special breaks, and bar breaks. Remembering all the different shortcuts for these breaks can be cumbersome. And even though you can customize them for an easier access, downloading the Break plugin consolidates them into one convenient menu for quicker access. So how does it work? Before we delve into its functionality, let's begin by downloading the plugin. Navigate to File, then Plugins, and select Install Plugins. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin and download it. Once downloaded, I recommend assigning a custom shortcut for a quicker usage. To do this, go to Preferences and then Keyboard Shortcuts, locate the plugin and assign a custom shortcut according to your preference. Alright, let's run the plugin. As you can imagine, it's so easy to use. Simply choose the bar where you want to insert any kind of break and run the plugin. That's all. Let me give you some examples. Alright, now let me introduce you a brilliant set of two plugins that are extremely useful, especially when working with large orchestral scores where precise adjustments are crucial. In Sibelius, inserting a break requires selecting the bar line and then executing the appropriate shortcut. However, this can be quite challenging when dealing with extensive scores because the view makes mouse clicks difficult, thus requiring continuous zooming in and out. One day I had an idea and reached out to Bob Zawalich, the author of these fantastic plugins, to inquire if it would be possible to select a bar line after selecting a random object such as rest. Bob responded positively and he developed two plugins to address this need. Select barline after the last selected object and select barline before the last selected object. They are amazing. All you need to do is downloading them and assigning a shortcut to the one you would use the most. And that's all. Since neither of these plugins have a pop-up menu, they are lightning fast. For example, I frequently use select barline after the last selected object and I assigned a custom shortcut to it. Now, I can easily and quickly enter any type of break. Let me provide you with an example. As you can see, all you need to do is selecting a bar object or the bar itself and then running the plugin. It automatically selects the bar line after the chosen object within the bar, eliminating the need for any zooming in or out. From there, you can easily enter any type of break by using its proper shortcut. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If you like to support my channel, you can also do it via the PayPal link in the description. Stay tuned and see you soon in another mind-blowing Lightning Sibelius chapter.